Dear listeners, welcome back. Today we talk about a trend. It starts on TikTok at the beginning of 2026. People make lists, 26 goals for the year 2026. But these goals are not serious or scary. They are small, funny, and very real. One goal on a list is learn to cook an egg. The vocabulary today is clear and simple. You will understand every word. There are no difficult grammar rules. Let's begin.
Imagine this. It is January 1st, Saint. You open TikTok. You see a girl sitting on her floor. She has a notebook. She has a pen. She is writing her goals for the year. But her goals are strange. Number 1, finish a full bottle of shampoo. Number 2, try one new restaurant. Number 3, learn to cook an egg. You laugh, but then you stop. You think, wait, I never finish my shampoo either. This is the 26 Goals for 2026 trend. It is everywhere right now. Millions of people make these lists. The number 26 matches the year. This year is 2026, so people choose 26 goals. But here is the key thing. The goals are not big dreams. They are not lose 20 kilos or become rich. They are small. They are achievable. Achievable means you can actually do it. Some goals take 5 minutes. Some take one afternoon. Some are just about trying something new. This is very different from old-style New Year's resolutions. A resolution is a promise to yourself. Old resolutions are usually big and hard. Here is a surprising fact. Studies show that 80% of New Year's resolutions fail by February. That means 8 out of 10 people stop trying. But this trend is different. People feel excited about their 26 goals, not stressed, excited. Why? That is what we explore today.
Let's look more closely at this trend. Where does it start? It starts on TikTok. Creators begin posting their lists in early January. One popular creator shows her notebook. Her handwriting is messy and happy. She reads her list out loud. Number 7, watch a movie alone in a cinema. Number 12, write one letter to a friend. Number 19, stay off my phone for one full morning. The comments explode. People write, I love this. People write, adding this to my list right now. Within 2 weeks, the hashtag number 26 goals for 2026 gets over 400 million views. That number is almost unbelievable, but the trend keeps growing. So what do people put on these lists? Let's look at real examples.
These are real goals from real people online.
Try making homemade bread. Go to bed before midnight 3 times a week. Send a thank you message to someone I respect. Read one book, just one. Take a 10-minute walk every morning. Learn 5 words in a new language. Notice something. These goals are very specific. Specific means clear and exact, not exercise more, but walk for 10 minutes every morning. That is specific. Psychologists, that means mind scientists, say this is important. Specific goals are easier to achieve. Your brain knows exactly what to do. Here is another surprising fact. Some of the most popular goals are about rest.
Not doing more, doing less. Take a nap without guilt. Say no to one event I don't want to attend. Sit outside and do nothing for 20 minutes. This is interesting. People are putting rest on their achievement lists. Rest becomes a goal, not a reward. Think about it. We live in a world that says be busy, work more, do more, achieve more. But these lists push back against that idea. They say small is enough, slow is okay. There is a girl named Maya. She is 22 years old. She posts her list on TikTok. She says, "Last year I tried to change everything. I changed nothing. This year I want to learn to cook 3 dishes. I want to call my grandmother every Sunday. I want to finish 1 puzzle." Her video gets 2 million views. People in the comments say, "This is me. I feel so seen right now." That phrase, "I feel so seen," is very important. It means you understand my experience exactly. It means I am not alone. And that brings us to the central question of this video. Why does this trend connect with so many people? What does it say about us right now in 2026?
Let's take a step back. We are not just talking about TikTok lists. We are talking about something bigger. We are talking about how people feel about their lives. Many people feel tired, not sleepy tired, life tired. The last few years bring many big changes: economic stress, job uncertainty, digital overload. Overload means too much of something. People want control, but they cannot control everything. So they focus on what they can control. Can I learn to cook an egg? Yes, I can. That feels good. Psychologists call this self-efficacy. Self-efficacy means believing you can do something. When you achieve a small goal, your self-efficacy grows. And when your self-efficacy grows, you try more things.
Small wins create big confidence. This is the hidden power of the 26 goals trend. Here is something sensory, something you can feel. Imagine writing your 26th goal. Your hand moves across the paper. You smell fresh coffee nearby. The notebook feels solid in your hands. You finish writing and you look at the full page. That feeling, looking at a full list, is powerful. It says, I have a plan. It says, I am moving forward. There is also a social element. Social means connected to other people. This trend is not private. People share their lists online. When you share your goals, something changes. You feel accountable. Accountable means responsible to keep your promise. Thousands of people post updates. Goal number 4, done. I made bread. It was terrible. I loved it. That last line is important. It was terrible. I loved it. The goal is not perfection. The goal is participation. Participation means joining in, taking part. The goal is to try. This connects to something universal. Universal means true for everyone, everywhere. All humans want to feel capable. Children learn this naturally.
A child tries to walk. They fall. They stand. They try again. Nobody tells the child, "You failed at walking today." Everyone cheers. "You tried. You stood up." The 26 goals trend brings this energy back to adults.
We are allowed to try and fail. We are allowed to find joy in small things. That is a powerful idea in 2026. So, what do we learn today? We learn about a trend that starts on TikTok. People make lists of 26 achievable goals. The goals are small, specific, and real. We see that big, scary resolutions often fail, but small, achievable goals create momentum. Momentum means movement that keeps going. We understand that this trend is not just about goals. It is about how people feel right now. People want progress, but also peace. And we discover something universal. Small actions can create big feelings. Finishing your shampoo bottle can feel like a victory. That might sound silly, but it is not. It is human. Maybe you want to try this yourself. You do not need to post on TikTok.
You do not need 26 goals. You can start with 5. Think about something small you always want to do, something you postpone, something that makes you smile just thinking about it. Write it down. That is your first goal. And that first step is the most important one. Here is the final thought for today. The 26 goals for 2026 trend teaches us something beautiful. Progress is not about doing more. Progress is about doing what matters, one small step at a time. Before you go, let's review the most important words from today's video. The first word is achievable. This means possible to do, within your ability. In our video, people choose achievable goals, small things they can really finish. The second word is resolution. This means a firm decision or promise, usually made at the start of a new year. In our video, we compare old-style resolutions with the new 26 goals trend. The third word is specific. This means clear, detailed, and exact, not general. In our video, specific goals like walk 10 minutes every morning are easier to achieve than vague goals like exercise more. The fourth word is momentum. This means energy or movement that keeps growing and continues forward. In our video, small goals create momentum. Each win makes the next one easier. The fifth word is self-efficacy. This means your belief and confidence in your own ability to do something. In our video, achieving small goals grows your self-efficacy and helps you try harder things. The sixth word is accountable. This means responsible for your actions, having a reason to keep your promises. In our video, sharing goals online makes people feel accountable to their followers. The seventh word is participation. This means the act of joining in or taking part in something. In our video, the goal of the trend is participation, trying something, not perfection. The eighth word is universal.
This means true for everyone in every culture and place. In our video, the desire to feel capable is a universal human feeling. The ninth word is postpone. This means to delay something, to push it to a later time. In our video, people often postpone small personal goals. The trend encourages them to finally do those things. The 10th word is overload. This means having too much of something, more than you can manage. In our video, digital overload is one reason people feel tired and want simpler goals.
Now let's look at some phrases that real people use every day. The first phrase is, I feel so seen. This means someone understands your experience exactly. You feel understood and not alone. In the video we hear, people in the comments say, I feel so seen right now. Real-life tip. You can use this phrase when a movie, song, or story describes your life perfectly. For example, that character is exactly like me. I feel so seen. The second phrase is push back against. This means to resist or challenge an idea, rule, or pressure. In the video we hear, these lists push back against the idea that you must always be busy. Real-life tip. Use this phrase when someone resists a popular opinion. For example, many young people push back against the idea of working 60 hours a week. The third phrase is, take a step back. This means to pause and look at the bigger picture, to stop focusing on details for a moment. In the video we hear, let's take a step back. We are not just talking about TikTok lists. Real-life tip. Use this phrase when a conversation needs a wider view. For example, before we decide, let's take a step back and think about the goal. The fourth phrase is small wins. This means small successes or achievements that build your confidence over time. In the video we hear, small wins create big confidence. Real-life tip. Use this phrase to talk about progress. For example, I walked for 5 minutes today. Small win, but I'm proud of it. The fifth phrase is one step at a time. This means moving slowly and carefully, doing one thing before the next. In the video, we hear, progress is about doing what matters, one small step at a time. Real-life tip. Use this phrase to encourage yourself or a friend. For example, don't worry about everything at once, just go one step at a time. And that is everything for today. You now understand the 26 goals trend. You know why it connects with millions of people. And you have 10 new words and 5 real phrases to use. Thank you so much for listening. Your time and your attention mean everything. Learning English every day, that is your small win. If this video helps you, please subscribe. The next video is coming very soon, and I promise it will be just as interesting as today. See you next time. Take care.